like magic, be like fire.
Life is getting smarter, and so are the tools we use every day. From saving time to making small tasks easier, these smart gadgets can quietly change how you live without you even noticing at first. All the mentioned gadgets, links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 10. IRVINEi AI DoorBell. This AI-powered doorbell goes beyond just ringing. It uses social media-based facial recognition to identify visitors, alerting you when strangers are at the door. Acting as a personal assistant, it integrates with Google and Amazon Home systems for seamless control. You won't need to pay for basic motion detection notifications, but with a premium subscription, you can access advanced features like weapon detection, unwanted person alerts, and parcel theft notifications. Additionally, it keeps a log of who visits and lets you control the door locks remotely. This device offers more than just security. It's like having a bodyguard at your doorstep. Number 9. Smart Trash Can. This automatic trash can features a touchless, motion-sensing lid that opens when your hand or an object is close, offering convenience and hygiene. It operates on 4 AA batteries, not included, and has an upgraded air suction design that creates a vacuum when closed, increasing capacity by 25% to maximize space. With a slim, compact size of 3.8 gallons, it's perfect for tight spaces like bathrooms. Made from durable ABS plus PP plastic, it has a smooth surface that's easy to clean. The lid uses air damping technology for slow, quiet opening and closing, making it ideal for quiet environments. The lid also seals tightly to keep odors contained, and it's great for kids who enjoy using the motion sensor feature. Number 8. Mix 2. Combine functionality and fun with this unique gadget that serves as a stationary ruler, caliper, and even an adjustable spanner. You can measure lines up to 18 centimeters and clamp it onto your workbench for precise measurements, whether in metric or imperial. It's versatile enough to handle dimensional objects and offers a built-in adjustable spanner for handy repairs. With its magnetic design, it ensures accuracy during use. And of course, it's also perfect for fidgeting. Small enough to fit in your pocket, this gadget is the ideal companion for those who want a mix of productivity and fun on the go. Number 7. Electric Grinder Set. This electric salt and pepper grinder charges by USB, so there's no need for batteries. A full charge takes just 1 hour, and you can even use it while it's charging. With one-hand operation, simply press the button to grind and release it to stop. The coarseness can be adjusted in 5 levels to suit your taste. Made with stainless steel and food-safe materials, the grinder holds 100 milliliters of spices. A bright LED light helps you season your food perfectly, even in low light. It's quiet, easy to fill, and makes a great gift for anyone who enjoys cooking. Number 6. Smart Lawn Mower. This robot lawnmower is designed for lawns up to 600 square meters for optimal performance, though it can cover areas up to 1,000 square meters with additional equipment. It uses advanced positioning technology to ensure precise and efficient mowing, increasing productivity by 300%. The mower automatically detects and locates boundary wire breaks, making repairs easy with the app and included connectors. It features an adjustable blade deck, allowing for flexible cutting heights between 1.18 to 2.76 inches and a wider 20-centimeter cutting path. The mower can handle slopes up to 45%, 24 degrees, and avoids obstacles with built-in sensors. It has an IPX6 waterproof rating, making it suitable for wet conditions. The mower automatically charges and tracks progress through a user-friendly app for seamless lawn care. Number 5. Smart Flowerpots. This smart planter makes caring for plants simple and fun with built-in AI and 7 sensors. It features a self-watering system with a large tank and real-time water level monitoring, so you'll always know when to add more. The self-priming tank keeps your table clean and reduces how often you need to water. It also acts like a digital pet, responding to touch with cute expressions and interactions. New plant owners can easily care for their plants by following its visual cues. Number 4. Soundproof Door Seal Kit. This door draft stopper helps keep heat and cold from escaping, making heating and cooling more efficient and saving money on energy bills. It reduces noise with 2 layers of sealing, keeping rooms quiet and comfortable. Measuring 2 inches wide and 39 inches long, it fits gaps up to 1 inch and has a self-adhesive design for easy installation on uneven door gaps. It works well on many types of doors and windows, including sliding, glass, wood, and even cabinets or wardrobes. Perfect for use in homes, offices, garages, basements, and more. Number 3. Cordless Screwdriver Tool. This rechargeable cordless screwdriver has a pivoting head that locks in 3 positions: 0 degree, 22.5 degree, and 45 degree to help you work in tight spaces. It features 3 torque settings, letting you adjust power for different tasks. A forward and reverse trigger button makes it easy to use with 1 finger, and the built-in LED light helps in low light. The built-in battery charges with a USB-C cable for added convenience. The set includes the screwdriver, USB charging cable, and a 28-piece bit kit in a case, making it great for home repairs, furniture assembly, and general DIY work. Number 2. Silicone Utensil Rest. Keep your counters clean while cooking with this handy utensil rest. Its raised edges catch drips from sauces and oils, keeping your stovetop tidy. With 4 slots, it holds spoons, spatulas, tongs, and more, helping you stay organized when using multiple tools. Made from food-grade, heat-resistant silicone, it's safe to use near hot surfaces and won't slip while in use. Cleanup is easy. Just toss it in the dishwasher. Durable and budget-friendly, it's a smart switch from paper towels and a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys cooking. Designed to last and backed by a reliable satisfaction guarantee. Number 1. ANKER Power Station. This portable power station offers eco-friendly charging with solar panel compatibility, perfect for keeping your devices powered while on the move. It features a built-in retractable light and an SOS button for emergencies, ensuring you're always prepared. With 60-watt and 27-watt USB-C ports, it can quickly charge both your laptop and phone. The 60,000 mAh battery provides enough power to charge your iPhone 14 over 10 times or run a 3-watt LED lamp for over 42 hours, making it ideal for outdoor trips or power outages. Included are the power bank, USB-C to USB-C cable, and a 3-year warranty. That's a wrap on today's video. These smart gadgets can truly make life easier, more fun, and more efficient. Try them out and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.